Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Hope na okay kayo. Today is September 10. Okay, so yung sa screen natin above, no? Yun yung chart ng gold, XAU USD. So gold is still going up since nung mga nakaraang month, no? April, May, June, July, August, September. So monthly, weekly, daily, and 4-hour, even intraday time frame, gold is still going up. So sa mga naka-hold dyan ng gold, so naiipit talaga, no? So yung momentum niya, no, still going up. As you can see that the price of gold is keep on making higher highs and higher lows, right? Yan, so yeah, until na hindi pa to babasagin yung level na to. Okay, the price of gold, okay, reach that level today, okay, here, but nag-spike lang siya, 3628. So malaki yung instances na aakyat pa siya, but kung babasagin niya siya, okay, there will be a big chance that the price of gold will retrace on the downside. So sa mga naka-hold dyan, kapit lang kayo, no? Kapit lang kayo, and let's see what gonna be gold is doing this week. So tingin nyo guys, anong gagawin ba ni gold this week? Aakyat ba siya or bababa? We'll be having a CPI this coming Thursday. So let's see. So ingat kayo guys and keep safe. Bye bye.